Sange Marmar is a very interesting song for me to have got all this attention for. It was for a lesser known film, first of all, Youngistan. I wish more people would have seen it, but all credit to the team. This exists as a Bengali song composed by Jeet Ganguly himself. I think somewhere at the back of my head, I knew that they're shooting it at the Taj, and the character in the film was supposed to be the prime minister of the country, so it made sense for him to tell his beloved ke aaj se dil pe raj tumhara taj tumhara. So it became sort of very true to the script, to the screenplay, but yet I think as a love song, as a love anthem, it has really worked. And I think this word Sange Marmar, it was a new word for the popular audience, and also it's a sweet sounding word, so which Sange Marmar, by the way, means marble and not dying together. So and when I don't think one ever thinks of hits or flops, because जब आप लिखने या कुछ भी क्रिएटिव काम करने बैठते हैं तो यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग कि अरे मैं तो बुरा काम करूंगा या मैं फ्लॉप चीज़ बनाऊंगा. यू आर होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट. देयर इज दैट जोक अबाउट अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर और अ प्रोड्यूसर गोइंग टू सम फेमस टेम्पल एंड गोइंग टू भगवान एंड सिंह कि मेरी फिल्म का आप फेट बताइए कि क्या होने वाला है. तो भगवान ऊपर से कहता है कि मैं फ्राइडे सेकंड शो के बाद बताऊंगा. सो यू नो इट्स नोबडी रियली नोज. Generally speaking, I am very fond of Amitabh Bhattacharya's work. I feel he's like the modern day Anand Bakshi. He can do deep really well, but simply and in a popular manner. So I judge the value, lyrical value of a song by the antras. The mukra or the chorus is always done to please n number of people and keeping somewhat the success and the catchiness of the song in mind. The quality of the writer you will always know by the antras, because that's where nobody really pays attention. So yes, then of course but my personal favorite this year is Pataka Guddi, although it has a lot of Punjabi in it. So but I really like that song. It's something, it starts on a note that is, you know, slightly off in a good way, and the lyrics represent that. Just the word Pataka Guddi, it's so lovely. Before this, I didn't know Pataka Guddi has to do with the manja and the kite flying and all of that. I didn't know it before this song. So I don't know how to read and write Urdu. I understand very well. I grew up in a mahal where people spoke it, so it's more hearsay. Maybe I had a keen ear. Javed साहब हमेशा मजाक में मुझसे कहते बीबी तुम सीख लो. इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. It's not like learning an entirely new language. So yes, that is true. Our languages of origin and our regional languages are taking a beating, are taking a backseat. But I have a personal theory about lyricists making it really good and big in the film industry. I feel any writer who has the knowledge of Punjabi and Urdu, both, you from Sahir to Anand Bakshi to Gulzar Saab to Irshad Kamil, I feel that's a winner combination. Sad part for writers, and I think most of them will agree with me, writers in general and lyric writers in particular, is that the only demand is that we want a hit. We want, and that hit में वो एक बहुत ही क्या कहते हैं कैची मुखड़ा होना चाहिए, बहुत ही हमबल हुक लाइन होनी चाहिए. हुक लाइन बीइंग द टर्म यूज्ड फॉर द टू लैंडिंग लाइंस इन द मुखड़ा, जो लास्ट लाइन होती है ना. Nobody sets out to write a bad song or do a bad job. I think the people who are hiring you more and more are not interested in the quality of the work, but are interested in its subsequent success. And also I'm told that, you know, things like the poster, things like the trailer and the music becomes you know, a pulling point of the audience, for the audience to be pulled into the theaters. So that is, I don't know, it's a business sort of a thing. लेकिन वो बहुत annoying सी चीज़ है, क्योंकि then you have to, and now you don't just have to please the director and you have to please the producer and the star and the music company and too many masters. I feel जो lyricists आजकल अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, hats off to them, due credit to them, because it's not easy. You're walking a tightrope and you're working under too many restrictions and limitations, and yet I feel, you know, लोग complain करते हैं कि डिटीरियोरेट हो गई है द क्वालिटी ऑफ राइटिंग वगैरह, आई डोंट एग्री. अ राइटर और अ म्यूजिक कंपोजर शुड बी गिवन द फ्रीडम, yes, to be able to do their creative work. But yes, I understand this is, you're not writing your diary, so there will be certain stipulations and certain conditions. But I wish when one is hired, then the people who have hired you, whether it's the producer or director or the star, they have more faith in you, a little more patience. Like Pritam always says this, you know, I tell him, you know, what is things happen and then you don't even hear about it for days. He's saying, you know, people have lost patience. Last year I loved Aankho Dekhi. I loved the cinematography, I loved the art direction, I loved the characterization. I loved how, yes, a philosophical story was done with such real characters. It was a refreshing change. I really liked that very much. Yeah.